Imagine that every second thousands of people search the internet for ways to make money fast. In 2024, there are over 3 million monthly searches on this topic. But how do you find a legitimate way that actually works? Stay with me and I will show you proven methods. In a world where the cost of living is constantly rising, many people are looking for ways to quickly increase their income. Today, in 2024, the topic of making money fast is more relevant than ever, especially for those who strive for financial independence. I will tell you how to start making money faster than you think and which methods really work. Many of us dream of making money fast, but how often have you encountered a scam? Hundreds of thousands of Americans lose their savings every year, believing in easy money on dubious platforms. Such schemes may promise instant income, but instead lead to disappointment and financial losses. According to the U.S. Federal Trade Commission, FTC, in 2023, Americans lost more than $8.8 billion on scams related to promises of quick money. Another problem is the lack of knowledge and confidence. Many simply do not know where to start. They hear about making money on YouTube, trading cryptocurrency, or investing in stocks, but do not understand how it works and are afraid of losing time or money. Lack of time is also a common problem. Most people find it difficult to combine work, family, and the search for new earning opportunities. The question arises, how to find something real without deception and with the possibility of a quick start? In 2024, there are several proven and legitimate ways to make money fast, and they have already helped thousands of people start earning an extra $500, $1,000, or even more per month. Let's look at some of the most popular areas. 1. Freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow people with a wide range of skills, from graphic design to writing and programming, to offer their services to thousands of customers around the world. For example, Jenny from New York started as a freelancer, creating logos on Upwork. In just 3 months, she increased her income from $200 to $2,000 per month without leaving her home. 2. Selling products through Amazon. The Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon program, allows you to sell products online using the infrastructure of the world's largest marketplace. You don't need to worry about delivery. Amazon will do it for you. For many, this has become a way to build passive income. For example, Michael from Chicago started selling phone accessories, and a year later his business was bringing in $5,000 a month in net profit. 3. Online surveys and microtasks. If you have some spare time, you can earn money by completing simple tasks or answering surveys. Platforms like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars pay users to complete tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, or testing products. It won't make you rich, but you can easily earn $50 to $100 per month doing these little things. 5. Investing through apps. Platforms like Robinhood or Acorns offer investment opportunities even for beginners. Robinhood makes it easy to buy stocks, cryptocurrency, and other assets without commissions, while Acorns automatically invest the change from your purchases into diversified portfolios. For example, Jake from Los Angeles started investing through Robinhood with just $50 and made $500 in a year just by buying and selling shares of popular companies. But what if you want to find something more stable and promising? One of the most unexpected and fastest ways to make money that is gaining popularity in 2024 is creating digital products. This could be a course on platforms like Teachable or Udemy, an ebook on Amazon Kindle, or even a subscription to your own Patreon. People are willing to pay for knowledge and unique ideas. For example, Sarah from Austin created an online course on personal finance management and sold it for more than $10,000 in just 3 months. Another powerful tool is affiliate marketing. Platforms like ShareASale and Rakuten allow you to earn money by recommending products and services. For example, if you have a blog or a YouTube channel, you can integrate affiliate links and receive a commission for each purchase based on your recommendation. Josh from Seattle makes up to $3,000 per month recommending products on his YouTube channel. So, today we discuss several legal and effective ways to make money fast: freelancing, investing, creating online products. Which one you choose depends only on your preferences and efforts. The main thing is not to be afraid to start. If you liked my tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos on how to make money online. Share your experience in the comments. Which method of earning worked for you? And of course, click the bell to always be up to date with the latest news.